What's happening, guys? Welcome back. Hey, it's been a while since we've done an unusual accommodation. Are you ready for this one? I'm always excited for my videos, but I'll get extra excited for the unusual ones. Boom! We're staying in a safari tent tonight. Nicole, I think you're in shot. Say hello. There she is. So, as I'm walking over to the crib, we have come out. We rented a car and we have driven out to a place above Cambridge in a little town called Willingham. The place is called Vegan Glamping, as you can probably tell by the name. It's a vegan campsite with 3 safari tents, and the money and proceeds from that go to the animal sanctuary on site. So we're gonna go and find some pigs and chickens and goats at some point tomorrow. But for now, first things first, I'm gonna give you a little tour. Come on, let's go. First thing I should point out, the plan was for a barbecue tonight, but we're gonna save that for tomorrow because the English weather is weathering. Welcome to the courtyard. As you can see, Nicole's here. Welcome, cheers. Oh no, that was not the cheers I was looking for. Take 2, cheers. Nicole wasted no time. Straight in the hot tub. We've got a little wood-fired hot tub. So also I should probably introduce Nicole. She's my friend from London. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen us hang around a lot in London. Maybe not so much on YouTube at Glass House Retreat, if you checked that video out. So I'm trying to keep her warm by doing the log burner that's powering the hot tub. And then in here, have you got the football on? Helena's been caught in the act. What are you doing? No. Oh, it's there, I didn't see it. You can have it on. Okay, heads up, I'm not sure when this video is going out, but today is Tuesday the 9th. It's the first semi-final of the Euros. So we've got France-Spain on at the minute. Helena's trying to keep track. It's currently 1-0 to France in about the 20th minute. England play tomorrow, so we're gonna find a little pub nearby and watch that. But back to the job in hand, let me give you a tour of the crib. Helena's my other friend from London, by the way. Hi. I don't think you've been on any of our videos. So, living area, as you can see, it's completely canvas on the inside. Another fire for me to attend to. Over this side, we've got the dining area. Wait until you see this table. This is awesome. It doubles up as a ping pong table and a pool table, I believe. I haven't checked it out yet, but we're gonna get into that at some point. Excuse the mess, we've just come in and dumped everything, but the lady that owns it, Pippa, has baked us plenty of sweet treats. And down here, we've got the little kitchen area where they've also, oh, there's the game, see what's going on? Left us a cooler full of vegan meat. So we might try and rustle a little bit of that up on the hob later, or we'll save it for the barbecue tomorrow. Okay, off-grid details. We've got LPG gas for the hob. It's pretty much off-grid. Everything's run on 12 volt for those of you that are interested. We've got the little 12 volt fridge. So they've run electric mains down from the barn, and we've got a fridge like we had on the narrowboat. We're in, look at us now, we're leveling up. So I've showed you the kitchen, I've showed you the lounge, the dining area. Come on down, guys. We have got 3 bedrooms. So this is a first cute little cozy double. Nicole's stuff's there, so I think she's claimed that one. And then as you come through, you've got basically a double on this side. My stuff's on this side. Oh, okay. Okay, basically, I've been kicked into the cupboard. I'm down this side. Come on, I'll show you my bedroom. And then 2 singles. And a little bit of storage. Touch on, touch off lights. Very simple setup, but everything you need for a cozy little getaway. And then this is gonna be a tight squeeze, but we've got a full bathroom. Shower with power jets, toilet that goes straight to a septic tank, and everything you need. Plumbed into the main water as well, so we've got semi-off-grid, we'll call this one. Spain just scored! What? Oh, wait, who are we cheering for? I don't know, it's just everything's happening. What a rogue start to the video, but anyway. Helena's missed a goal whilst we do the accommodation tour. I love it. I love this place. If you know me, you know I love a little unusual accommodation. I'll always come back to play. Why am I filming in the bathroom? Let me get out here. Whenever I come to a place like this, it always takes me back to, you know, narrowboat life, van life, and I think, damn, I really need to just cram in the unusual accommodations because they're one of my favourite things to film. But then I'm back in London working and I get overseas jobs and I'm travelling and it all just takes over. But I promise I will try and do more of these because I know you enjoy them. And for me, it takes me back to my roots and I absolutely love it. What else can I show you? We've got a little welcome package as well with the burger buns, the marshmallows. Under here, games box. We love a games box. I'm excited to see what we get up to here because there's so much to offer. There's also, I'll pan around, there's a little bus out there, double-decker bus, well, not a little bus at all, that she said turns into a pub. So we've got to check that out at some point. Like I say, there's an animal sanctuary and we're just gonna be vibing here. We've got a couple of nights. I'm gonna document the fun, probably get in the hot tub, cook up some meals and just take it back to simple living. What have we got for dinner, Helena?
Pasta alla pomodoro. We have tomato pasta with mushrooms.
This is what we're working with.
Be on my secret.
Big up Lloyd Grossman. What I love as well is the intricate details and everything they put into these little accommodations. So let me make sure we got everything on offer here. Crockery, glasses, what do you even call that? Pottery? No.
Oh my god, another fucking goal.
What? I feel like I'm live streaming the Euros right now. 2-1 Spain.
Which is crazy because by the time they're seeing us, the whole Euros will probably be finished.
Yeah, and England will have won Euro 24.
Oh.
Jinxed it, come on. But yeah, basically we've got everything we need. You done in the hot tub?
Yeah, I think I'm really warm.
Yeah.
But also, just from a vegan perspective, they are just like very, very vegan. I know any vegans out there know that, you know, some people don't really get it. This is vegan to its roots.
True, that's probably something I have failed to mention. Nicole and Helena are vegan. I am vegetarian. Nicole got invited here, brought us along, so I thought the perfect opportunity to film another unusual accommodation episode.
I'm glad you're bringing it back. It's my favourite series.
There you go. So if you haven't seen the others, I think this is episode 6, 7. We've done a shepherd's hut, we've done a tree tent, we've done all sorts. Go check out the series, and I'm gonna get involved and help cook dinner with two of my little best buddies in London. This is the trio. These guys have definitely looked after me a lot since moving to London. Now I've got to try and look after them by keeping them warm and keeping the fires stoked, which is one thing that I am quite good at. Oh, look at that. That is keeping the hot tub warm, and that is a smell and a sign that I've not seen in a long time, and I miss it. Even got a little Prosecco on ice / water now, because we've been here a while. And I heard there's pastries being freshly baked tomorrow morning, so we're in for a treat, guys. Oh, we're in for the night. Let's get cozy. Can we all just appreciate Helena's slippers?
Don't come away without them. It's my empty table. Everyone enjoy. Okay. You're just so low now.
Why am I so small?
Tiny.
What happened? Oh no, like Oliver Twist. Please sir, can I have some more? Oh, what a fail. Cheers, cheers. You got wine, I got water. Cheers, cheers gang.
Oh, no, this is actually really cute. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you for having us. Be rude not to, wouldn't it? I just took the lid off and I've sat at the head of the table. I feel like Bruce on Matilda. Bruce, Bruce, Bruce. Well, that was never going to end well, was it? But one thing I will say, vegans know how to bake cakes. And on that note, I better attack this washing up. So we were going to go to bed, but the girls want me to beat them at one game before we turn down for the night.
The question is not asked to any further players. The player asked the passed on question, then gets their regular turn.
Games night's getting very technical, guys.
Okay, so, name 3 donut fillings.
Jam, custard, chocolate. Done! Let's go!
Okay, I didn't even think that was 2 seconds.
Man loves
Let's go!
Yeah, good.
Ooh, no! Alright, I'm going to be open and honest, guys. I lost at the games. It's now 1 AM though, and we have just been talking shit for the last couple of hours. We've been trying to name as many cartoons as we could from our childhood. So I'm going to sign out and go to bed, but first...
Tom and Jerry!
We went round in circles, 1 for 1, and forgot Tom and Jerry. So yeah, that's a poor performance. Before bed though, this is a nice way to end. There's a little pastry sheet, and you text an order to the owner and they bring you breakfast in the morning. So we're going to get a little pain au chocolat and a few croissants in, and we'll catch you bright and early for a day of adventure and animal sanctuaries. Good morning, look at this. What a setup. We've got little vegan poached eggs, which I'm interested to try, and the fire is roaring. Let's eat. So what we've established here is Helena is definitely the chef. I'm sous chef.
I'm the princess.
Nicole just gets served to and treated. But Helena has tried out these vegan poached eggs. Have we got a review on them? It is what it is. Alright, the English weather is still weathering. It's a little bit windy, but let's go find some animals. Look at these lot. We've got chickens. We're playing chicken run right now. This is Timothy. He's the one that woke me up at 7 AM this morning, so we're not friends. Meet Eddie, the Mediterranean tortoise. I like Eddie.
Give this one to Will. It's a bit big.
Wilson is huge.
He's absolutely so sweet. He's downsizing more. Jack likes me.
Come down to see the little lambs. I have a feeling they're going to get a bit confused. I've worn the wrong material for today. Thinks I'm a sheep. Oh! I feel like I have to point out Wilson. We've come to see the goats. Wilson made it in the wrong pen, man. That's a horse slash golden retriever, I don't know. All right, time for the big boy, my favorite. We're gonna find Chip. Wait till you see the size of this fella. Damn, Chip. Damn, Chip. I mean, we'll give him a little pat, but I'm not trying to get squished by 300 pounds.
800.
800? No, 800 pounds. Chip's on the move. We've got to get out of here. Death by pig. I think we'll get back to the safari tent. All right, well that was a lovely start to the day, and now we're gonna get some vegan sausages, chicken wings,
Vegan
skewers,
everything.
pretty much any vegan meat you can think of. Wow, look at the little Jenga player over here. Helena's on barbecue duty. I'm just gonna go and sit down. So we've got a bit of a wind trap going on at the minute. We're doing a good job though.
I think so. There's fire.
There's fire, there's certainly fire.
That's a good sign, I think.
I'll grab the tongs. Nicole's on meat duty, fake meat duty, and we've got a bin full of logs, so we'll have a barbecue in no time.
Well
There's no masculine, feminine jobs here.
no job.
All under control.
Oh, I'm loving these gloves.
The gloves have given you power.
I've got so much power.
Well guys, I never really feel the most manly on my vlogs. You saw me in the narrowboat, the camper vans. I don't know much about anything that I feel like I stereotypically should do, but I'm here with two girls and we're trying to keep the barbecue under control. So fingers crossed,
You did well.
we get a good bit of food out of it. You know you're at a vegan barbecue when the meat is on the grill and this little fella's just wandering around. Oh, you're safe here, mate. Everyone's welcome. Yeah? Famous last words. I think we're just about there. We don't mess about. Bon appetit. Right, we're fed and watered. I'm actually super full up. That was a lot of food, but it's time to have some fun. Oi! This is turning into a very competitive couple of days.
Oh, that was really bad. It's because I didn't do this before.
Well, oh, that's probably what it is.
Yeah. Fuck! Thought of you.
Spots. We'll cut to 2 minutes time. We're coming back at the final hurdle here. I'm on black, but I potted white. Helena's got 2 shots to bring back the game.
Oh, bollocks. Oh, that is the worst thing I could have done. Pot the white!
No.
You did it on purpose. You did it on purpose. Damn it.
She got excited for 1 minute. 1-0 Helena. Can't lie, ladies and gents. Just woke up from a little nap. But it is hard work, babysitting these two, beating everyone at pool.
1-0 Helena.
Doing the barbecue.
There's footage of the barbecue.
No, we're gonna go watch the England game. But first, we're going to the on-site pub, which just happens to be a double-decker bus. I'm looking at it right now and it looks sick. Let me show you around. Ching ching, ching ching. Oh, 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 we're getting carried away. This is lovely. We'll absolutely take it. Little refresher and we go again. Right guys, it's time. I'm gonna leave the camera set up. We're going to the local pub. I think it's called the Porterhouse in Willingham to watch England play Netherlands in the semi-final of the Euros 2024 and see in an hour and a half. We're either gonna walk through here screaming or walk through here crying. Lads and ladies, it's only coming home, isn't it? Go on England! The girls are desperate to get the fire on, so I'm gonna let them crack on, but Ollie Watkins, 91st minute, bless him, he's just come on for probably the first kick of the Euros, and he's got us into the final, so Sunday's gonna be lively in London for the final. By the time this goes out, we'll either be champions of Europe or runners-up, but for now, there's only one way to celebrate. It's time for s'mores with the team. We've got giant marshmallows. We've got chocolate digestives. Helena's right in there. You're right there.
Yeah, it's so nice and warm.
Oh, that's a banger. let me show that to the
This
camera.
side. Yeah.
Guys, back me up here. Hang on. Give me your opinion on that. Is that a good s'more? There you go. Look at that.
360.
That's a s'more. They said that side's not good. Okay, it's a little bit undercooked, but that
Raw. Yeah.
it's raw, big boy. Hey, it tastes good. I'm not complaining. That's all that matters. All right, guys, that's a wrap. It's nearly midnight. We had a late one last night. We got a bit overhyped there from the football. Helena's doing tinfoil duty, wrapping up the leftovers. Nicole's in bed. Good night, Nicole.
Bye.
Yeah, she is. Good night, good night. Massive shout out to the guys at Vegan Glamping, Pippa especially, who's looked after us for the last couple of days. We love Pippa, we love the food, we love the animals. Yeah, it's been a great little spot. I'm gonna crash out back to London in the morning, and we'll catch you, God knows when, the next video or where we'll be in the world. But I appreciate the support as always. Catch you on the next one.